Welcome to Explain for Everyone. Today we're exploring Hermes, the luxury brand known for its timeless elegance and exceptional craftsmanship. Hermes is a French high-fashion luxury goods manufacturer established in 1837 by Thierry Hermès. Originally a harness workshop in Paris, the company supplied high-quality bridles and harnesses to European noblemen. As transportation evolved, so did Hermes. The company expanded its product line to include saddlery and later, in the 1920s, it ventured into handbags, apparel, and accessories, maintaining its reputation for unparalleled quality. Hermes is renowned for its iconic products, such as the Birkin bag, named after actress Jane Birkin, and the Kelly bag, named after Grace Kelly. Each bag is meticulously handcrafted, making them highly sought after and often seen as status symbols. The brand prides itself on craftsmanship. Hermes artisans undergo extensive training and often specialize in a single product line. This dedication ensures that every piece meets the highest standards of quality and artistry. Every Hermes product is made with attention to detail. From the selection of premium materials to the intricate hand stitching, each step in the production process reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. Beyond bags and scarves, Hermes offers a wide range of products including clothing, watches, jewelry, fragrances, and home goods. Each item embodies the brand's ethos of elegance and sophistication. Hermes stores around the world are designed to reflect the brand's luxurious identity. Each store offers a unique shopping experience, blending modern aesthetics with classic elements. Hermes maintains its exclusivity through limited production and high-quality standards. The brand's business model focuses on sustainability, craftsmanship, and innovation, ensuring its products remain timeless. Hermes is also known for its fashion shows and collaborations with artists and designers. These ventures keep the brand fresh and relevant while honoring its rich heritage. Hermes is more than just a luxury brand, it's a symbol of timeless elegance and superior craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Hermes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Explain for Everyone content. See you next time.